In this video, we are going to make this epic spaceship game. It is a long part series. This is the second part in the series. And in today's video, we will add the shooter mechanic. So let's begin. So as you can see, I am here in Unity. In the last video, I told you guys how to add movement to your spaceship. So today we are going to make the spaceship go pew pew. Basically, we are going to add bullets to our video game. So I have this image called the bullet. Let's just add this here. And let's set the ordinate layer to be 4. Then let's set the rotation to be 90 degrees. And let's click on shift and make it smaller. Let's add a rigid body. Let's add a circle collider 2D to this. And then let's also add a rigid body 2D to this. Let's remove gravity because we don't need it. And I also have these both scripts which have absolutely nothing in them, but I made it before time so that I don't waste time of you guys. So I'm just going to drag this onto the bullet. And yeah, as you can see, it's great. Now we are going to drag the bullet into the project. So yeah, now we have a prefab of the bullet. So basically what prefabs are is that they let you spawn an object unlimited times, and if you make a change to one object, all of the objects change. It's a lifesaver. Anyways, let's go on the spaceship. Let's right click, let's click create empty, and let's name it bullet point. And I also have the script called B point, that means bullet point. Let's place it here. Let's also take our bullet point and let's place it right here. And we are going to make the rotation to be 90 degrees because our bullets are a little slanted when they're at 0 degrees. Yeah, it's necessary, guys, just follow along. Yeah, so after that we are going to go into the scripts, and here where it says bullet script, we are going to type public rigid body 2D. Let's call it RB, and then we'll make a public float called speed. And what we are going to do is rb.velocity is equal to vector2 dot up into speed. So basically whenever our bullet is spawned, it has to travel in the upwards direction. So we are adding force to the rigid body, which is the component that adds physics to an object. So we are adding force to that object in a specific direction, that is the up direction, and at a specific speed, that is whatever the speed we are going to set. So that's the bullet script. Then let's go to the B point, and here we are going to type public. Let's type game object bullet prefab, and here we are going to type if input dot get button down, or let's just type get button, and here we are going to type fire 1. Write it just as I have or it wouldn't work. Let's type instantiate, and we are going to type bullet prefab, comma transform dot position and transform dot rotation. Okay, I messed that up. Just a second. So what this basically does is that fire1 is a button that is stored in the Unity registry, which means the left mouse button and also A on your controller. So yeah, it has full controller support, guys. It is amazing. So whenever we click the mouse button or the controller, we want to instantiate, that is spawn, a bullet prefab at transform.position, that is our current position, and transform.rotation, that is our current rotation. So basically this should be working. Let's just assign the bullet prefab here, and let's just assign the rigid body and speed here. So yeah, now let's see if this is working. As you can see, it isn't is trigger. I forgot to make it is trigger. So where it is the collider, just make this is trigger. Yeah. So let's make the speed to be 50, and let's try that again. So guys, as you can see, we are spawning tons of bullets, and they're getting fired properly and nicely. So let's also just go here and let's type in the bullet, and let's type destroy game object after 5 seconds. So what this is going to do is that whenever we spawn a prefab, it sticks on till the end of time, and we don't want that. So we are just going to tell it to despawn after 5 seconds, sort of like in Minecraft. Just in Minecraft it's 5 minutes. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, we are done with today's video. That was it for me. That was it for you guys. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.